Shout out to the Sweet Farm.
Right, to the Sweet family, you know what I mean? I original, you understand?
To the face and hear the voice, you don't know Lisa Ipa, me represent for Sweet Farm. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right now.
Yes, Sweet Squad.
Sweet Squad.
Good morning. Our last day in Jamaica. So we're just ordering some tasty patties to take back. Yeah, guys. So because some people don't want to get bun up, we didn't go to no beach. So we have to visit the beach. Wash off at the beach, guys. So we're
From Jamaica, the last day of the beach.
yeah, so
Deserve this thing.
from Scalding. Yeah, so we're just ordering some patties now. And of course we're gonna eat two as well. Go down Robins Bay side, Portland, where the thing happened. Yeah, so we're gonna take you guys our last day in Jamaica. Yeah, Tom Sunglasses, man. Youngster thing today.
Can I get one of the meal with 2 cheese patty and a drink as well, please?
Two number one.
2 number 1. And that's only 2 cheese patty? Alright, yeah, 2 number 1. Okay, no problem.
6 440.
Yeah.
6 1 2 3 4 50.
Yes, man. Yeah.
So that's a different money again. How much is that then?
How much for you? 7,700 in total. Thank you.
Yeah, guys. Patty them rolling out and go up to them at you know. And can't take cold patty. Come on, baby. I couldn't patty burn up my mouth, you know. So that's 1 box of patty there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, guys. Yep. Yes, guys. So we are in Stony Hill, heading down to Portland, but we're gonna get some petrol first. Yeah, guys. So taking some of the Jamaica Road. Yes, guys.
Yes, Sweet Squad. So this is our patties for the children. And some frozen beef patties. Well frozen beef patties. I've got 2
Oh, 5G87. Yeah.
So I have to do a pot for a wash. And my father give us a pot.
Sentimental.
Scoring. Yeah. So when we scoring for there, so see it would wash the scoring and the pot.
So I go score at the beach. That's the adventure today, guys. Yes, you will get some vlog when we are cooking at the pot there, England. Yes, Sweet Squad. You want a patty now, baby?
Yeah, man.
It's really hot. Yes, guys, I love my patty hot. I love to have my patty well hot one off my mouth. Oh Lord, I know you guys want a piece of this now, you know. But guess what? Yeah, I'm gonna eat for me and you. Yeah. Patty nice. Guys, check out our juicy beef vlog. We went to Juicy Beef to do a review to see which one of the patties we prefer. So check into that video. Okay, guys, let's just show you a bit of the road. Yeah, just get some.
This Tony is square gentleman carrying some to school here holding in Maria.
Neat.
I like it. Oh, go right. There, David. There. Okay, so this will leave in Stony Hill Square now, heading down to Hamilton Bay. And I must say gas cheaper in Jamaica. Because $5,000 car was from empty to what, near quarter tank, 3 quarters of a tank. So that's not
Yes, sweet squad, so just go and
super safe.
super seal yourself. K9.
Super safe.
Big up. K9. One like Fuzzy. Wife like Dion. Hey guys, taking this big truck coming around the corner here. Real traffic, the back of now, you know. So guys, real traffic.
One truck does another.
So yeah. One creeper. Cause all of that. Yes, rude boy.
Do it, my boss.
I hear about 5 will lose them life, my youth. Take time on the road.
They don't like drive over for them side, you know?
Yeah. I must say Sweet Squad, like Jamaica is so fast. The pace is very fast. So you just have to like, everyone is always moving fast. It don't matter what. You go in a shop, everybody will move fast. You go up on the road, everybody will move fast.
You definitely take a little while to adjust.
Yeah. Yeah. The one to go was different. I was like, that cheese this is a patty, but I forgot to say this was the one to go, yeah. Right. Yes, Sweet Squad, so we're approaching Golden Spring now. Golden Spring Square. The bus stop is still rush hour.
Basic school over here.
Yeah, the church and football field. Enough dance skip over there, so.
Enough dance ever broke out over this.
Yeah, Sweet Squad, so we check in back. I'm gonna eat some of my patty and now I'm like it hot. I'm gonna check in back in a bit, show you a bit of the road again soon. Yes, people, so we're heading towards, well, we're about to pass Temple Hall now. I tractor man, I play them song there.
Yes, it's right there.
Was good.
Some souls.
Man, I take it easy, I go up. Me and brother. So you have a big old wheel there and a Dodge Patrol. One of them will cover a whole Patrol. Yes, Sweet Squad. I'm not going to left her out to the Golden, you know about Golden Spring Temple Hall. This one is, guys. We're at Temple Hall. Temple Hall. You never know. Come think at a one that I go. Oh yeah. Alright, watch the guys. Yes, man. Go on over there. Yes, brother. We got off children to go back to. So we're just taking it easy. Homebot is what I bike the fast. Homebot, star, what you talking about? We have to pass him, guys. No, sir. Put the Mark X in a blow flight mode. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Turn. No, so you go over there so far. Side door stay, sir. I want to go on there, sir. Yes, guys, that's a piece of Jamaica Road. Fast pace. Yeah, body the pine, yes. Alright, we'll soon check in back again and show you some more of the road, guys. You guys, they've been experiencing a lot of bushfires. So if you look up there, you see the whole place burn out. Every minute, you see fire trucks rushing to these bushfires. So that's the current situation in Jamaica now. Loads of bushfire, guys. Look at that. All of this abundant. Drought, no water, yes, dry, yeah. Alright, Sweet Squad, we're gonna check in back when we reach the beach, so stay tuned for that. Brandon Hill. A Sweet Squad. I had to catch this because this looks so nice. I don't even know what's the name of this bridge, but yeah, it's looking lovely. Deep all this stuff.
So you see all those grass in there now, the fish are under.
Yeah, fish are under there feeding, so you can't fish this time of year. Yeah. That truck brother reaches destination, and this one just much more fast. Brother cleared away. Can we go over there? Okay, so we should be there very soon. Yeah. Guys, so a bit closer again, we're gonna be checking in how much coconut tree over there. So it's named Coconut Walk. Wow, there's loads of coconut, you know. Wow, that is so nice and beautiful. When you don't pick coconut over here, so to blow your pocket full. What? Overweight. Coconut Walk, I must say that name. Coconut Walk. Yo, that is a lot of coconuts, you know. Guys, let me just take it from the front of the car. Like, look at that.
I appreciate that much.
Enough coconut that's in a man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright. Check in back again, guys, when we're a bit closer. Oh, go on, so I get the look of nice clips them for Sweet Squad, you know. What at this strawberry field? Oh, what is the turn off? Oh, we have a turn off yes, so long, guys. Greencastle Estate.
Where do we drive Sweet Squad? Choose another patrol there.
Just take the time, go down in it. Man, you come round fast, so we can't take the time too much. Hey. Alright, I check in again, guys. Guys, pretty much just be road here. So, yeah, guys, checking in. We haven't reached the beach yet, guys, because our sat nav told us that we'll reach and we're not seeing a beach yet. So we just came out the car and just looking if there's anywhere where we can catch a little swim and get back. But I don't think that's possible right now. Oh, look at the beauty. Oh my God, the water is so clean, guys. Look at that. Water clean and nice.
Think
Here's
around them building there.
yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna make our way a bit further around because there's no beach here. So apparently the sat nav in Jamaica is not accurate at all.
Google.
Well, Google now go on good.
Work on that.
I must deeper fire. Google afraid of. You guys look at when you eat patty. Here comes Jesus. Alright, guys, so we're gonna check in back again. Yeah. So check in.
Check.
Check. So sweet squad. This meant to be Robin's Bay, but I think it is deserted because like
And then nice beach too.
oh my God, that is disgustingly disappointing.
Them a dump rubbish in it.
Yeah, cause the rubbish bag there. Well, such a waste of journey, guys. We came to Robins Bay Beach. Oh my God. Bees want pitch for me. It's a good
It
sign.
was a nice it was a nice beach. Nice and calm, never overcrowded, but this is what plastic does to the environment, guys. Plastic on plastic bag.
So this is what Robins Bay Beach look like, guys. So it's a waste of journey. We're just gonna make our way back now
Such a
because
pity.
we haven't got much time to depart. So yes, guys. That's it, baby. Crazy. Disappointing, but such is life. Everything on for a reason. So you go. So that meant to be Robins Bay Beach. Crazy.